Hello everyone, my name is Pavan Kaur from COE 18 batch. Today my topic is social distancing sensor. So this is the sensor that I have constructed on Tinkercad software. What is the reason to construct only this sensor? As we all know that the situation of COVID-19 is prevailing all over the world. So we are provided with the guidelines to maintain a social distance from each other. So, to maintain a social distance, sometimes we do not follow or we forget. So, this is the best sensor if we had embedded this sensor in our wristwatches, or we can say at our iCards that we are wearing at our duty places. This sensor helps us or make us aware to maintain social distance in such a way that if we get close to anybody individual, it becomes an obstacle for this ultrasonic sensor, and then automatically what happens, this LED you are seeing and this buzzer, it will come in on state and starts to beep. It is an we can say that it make us aware that please maintain a social distance. After completing this, now the components that I have used are Arduino Uno R3, red LED, piezo buzzer, resistor of 220 ohm, and ultrasonic distance sensor. As we know that we have designed the circuit, but how it will run? So for this I have written a code where we had set trigger pin to 10, echo pin to 9, buzzer pin to 12. So declaring a variable long duration which helps to calculate the duration that the ultrasonic sensor takes to find an obstacle. Then a duration, after this we had a int distance which will calculate the distance. So this is what setup. Here pin mode, on which pin mode defined for trigger pin, echo pin, buzzer pin, and for LED. So at echo pin we give input, and at trigger pin, buzzer pin, and at LED, which is at 13th pin of Arduino, give us 13 pin of an Arduino, which will also give us an output. Then moving to the void loop. Here what we had did initially, using a digital write function, we have set a trigger pin to low and then delay of few microseconds, which is 2, then again trigger pin high for 10 seconds, 10 microseconds. So now we need to calculate the duration, or we can say time. So for this we have used pulse in function, which is where echo pin is high. Basically what happens, that ultrasonic sensor sends a sound wave. If it get an obstacle, it immediately send back to the receiver. So in this way we get the value of duration. Afterwards we now want to know that we are maintaining a gap from other individual of 1 meter or more distance. So we use a variable distance centimeter. So for calculating distance is equal to speed into time, so we use the function distance is equal to duration into speed. Here speed we had used is speed of sound, which is 340 minutes per second, and divided by 2. Dividing by 2 means that the wave is going to an obstacle and coming back, so it has covered double distance. So we want only distance when it go from the sensor to that of obstacle, so we have divided here by 2. Then we use the function serial.println to find the distance. Afterwards, to check that we had either maintained social distance or not, we use if else condition. In if we say that if distance of a one person to another is less than 110 centimeter, it means that he is not maintaining a social distance from other individual. So what we have did, we made 12th pin and 13th pin, which are of buzzer and LED respectively, high. So then we had put a delay Then we had made, after putting a delay, we had made this pins low for few seconds and then again high. So after completing the circuit, now we should move to the simulation part, how it works. So starting with the simulation part. Okay, let's see. You could see that a person is, let this is a person who is at 291.5 centimeter distance from other individual or object. He is maintaining this much distance. Next step, we will see that the buzzer is not beeping or LED is not glowing. Now if we move this object closer, see at 24.2 centimeter, this buzzer starts to beep. Now it stops. This is telling us or making us aware, please make a distance, social distance from others. So let's move, we say that we get far from that person. So now it stops beeping, and if again if we again come, so it again beeps. So by this beep sound, we will make aware that we had to maintain social distancing. Hope you like the video. Thank you.